Hey guys, Ultimate Toy Collector here. Today we're going to take a look at the children's version of the Infinity Gauntlet from Avengers Infinity War. Now, this is one of the items that's street dated for March 3rd. This is the smaller gauntlet that'll go with the role play stuff that is kid oriented, and this is for ages 5 and up. See, it's got some cool sound effects. If I press this, so it's pretty much the same sound effects. I don't think it really has too many, but this is Thanos's Infinity Gauntlet that we're going to see in the movie. And down here on the bottom, we have our California Raisin Thanos with his Infinity Gauntlet. So let's take a look at the packaging. You see the packaging right here has a kid wearing the gauntlet. And then here's the back of the packaging. And you see you have Thor's Stormbreaker. That's another item that is coming out as one of the children's role play items. So right here, imagine summoning the power of the Infinity Stones and controlling the fate of the galaxy. So it's pretty cool. It's hitting stores. They'll be on the shelves March 3rd with all the other street dated stuff, but we were able to get our hands on this early. So just want to take a quick look at it. I'm going to take it out of the package so we can play with it a little bit. So here's the Infinity Gauntlet, and from the looks of things, I'll do this myself. Alright, so you can see right here, it's not as big as the Legends roleplay version. Obviously, this is for a kid, but it comes with, there's a little grip on the inside where your little one can stick his hand in there, his or her hand in there, hold it, and they'll be able to weld the power of the Infinity Gauntlet. And just press the gem, and it's going to light up. Now it's got a soft front tip where the knuckles are right here. But if they hit somebody with it, they're still gonna do some damage. Right here is soft, but it's followed behind it with hard plastic. So I would definitely encourage them not to punch anybody because it's gonna leave a mark. But overall, it's pretty cool. I think it's an awesome piece for any kid to have, especially any fan of the Avengers or Thanos. So now they have their actual Infinity Gauntlet. I just wish you could kind of take the gems out, or maybe if it's set a little bit more, you know, because I've seen other stuff that has some sayings that Thanos says. So this would have been cool, but overall, you know, it's a nice piece for the price point. I believe it's like $19.99. So for the price point and just, you know, it is a kid's item. It's not bad. As I said, you know, pretty well sculpted, pretty solid. If you knock on it, it's solid plastic. All right, up here on the knuckles is a softer plastic, but if they punch somebody with that, it's definitely going to leave a mark. All right, and here's the bottom part of the gauntlet. You see, you can change the batteries right here. If you need to change the batteries, it requires 2 AAA batteries, and you just unscrew here and put that in there. So I'm looking forward to getting the Legends size gauntlet. That one has the articulated fingers and everything. But in the meantime, this will have to do. Time for me to rule the world. So thanks for checking me out, guys. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, The Ultimate Toy Collector. What do you think about this gauntlet? What do you think about some of the items that we've seen that are coming out on March 3rd? The Hero Vision, and obviously Marvel Legends and some of the role-playing stuff. Like the video, leave a comment, let me know. Let me see, Cool Down Pop Culture Reviews and Toy News International. And until next time, guys, happy hunting.